welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions English 2018, question number 17. In questions 14 to 21, choose the option nearest the meaning to the underlined. Ayodeji is an ardent supporter of education for the child. The underlined word is ardent. The options are A. Cogent, B. Passionate, C. An ignorant, D. An optimistic. So which of these is the synonym or has meaning that is near to ardent? Now, for us to get this in perspective, we need to know the different definitions of all this. Now, when you hear the word ardent, ardent simply means very enthusiastic and showing strong feelings about something. Very enthusiastic or showing strong feelings about something. So you have very strong feelings about something. That is, you are ardent. You are ardent supporter of that. So you can also say that this word passionate also means showing very strong feeling. You can see, so both of them are having the same definition. That means they are the same thing, strong feelings about something. But when you say the word cogent, cogent simply means strongly or clearly expressed in a way that influences people, or in a way that influences what people believe. So cogent means strongly or clearly expressed. So you express something in such a way that it will influence people's way of thinking. Now, ignorant simply means lacking knowledge. When you say that somebody is ignorant, it means that the person does not have knowledge. Now, optimistic means thinking that the best possible thing will happen, or hoping for the best. That is optimistic. You're always thinking that the best thing is going to happen. So which of these have the same meaning as ardent? Ardent means showing strong feeling for something. Passionate means showing strong feeling for something. So you can see that passionate is the correct answer for this, and that's why we're picking option B. Thank you.